Today we will introduce how to set up the NIC wireless management platform, as well as the initial wireless pairing connection of screwdrivers. For the first-time deployment of an NIC platform, you need first choose an administrative computer to set up the server, which will be working as the master control hub of your screwdriver management system. You will receive the installation package from manufacturer for the software. Extract the files to your computer. There is no need for additional installation. Open the unpacked folder and find the program execution file with blue icon. Right-click and select Run as Administrator in order to get authority from System as a new software. Once the program starts, it will always try to search for existing server automatically. For the initial setup, there is no server can be found and searching will stop. Click the Server config to set up the server. The server address is your server computer's IP address, which usually be found by software automatically. You can also open command window and type ipconfig to double-check whether the address matches. Then you need put in the HTTP port and MQTT port address for data communication. This information can be found in the software folder by opening Service and Config folders. Match the port address with the information you found, and click Confirm to proceed. Once configuration success, you will automatically enter the system main page. Now you are all set. If you are trying to log in an existing server from control tablet or other interface, open the same software and use Connect to Server page to log in directly. Make sure the server and IP address match with your server info. Now let's set up the wireless connection between screwdriver and server. When screwdriver is turned on, it will automatically search for server with green and red flashlight. For initial pairing, you need a Type-C cable to connect screwdriver to server computer. Switch to the wired device page and the connected screwdriver will appear. Select the unit and click Network. Select the Wi-Fi you are using and type in the Wi-Fi password. For the first time setup, system will ask for administrative password. The initial password is always 20212021, and you can reset it later in the software setting page. Once authority granted, repeat the Wi-Fi connection procedure, and system will start pairing the network with screwdriver. Once complete, click Finish to close window. Now you can switch to wireless device page and find your screwdriver there. You can unplug the cable now, and connection will stay. You only need do this setup once. And once paired, the screwdriver will always display on the server. Even after shutoff, it will automatically reconnect on next start. Now let's repeat the procedure for another screwdriver. You can see the screwdriver will flash yellow light during connecting and stops after connection complete. Now the second screwdriver is online. Repeat, same procedure, until you get all screwdrivers in your assembling line connected to server. And from now on all assembling management and monitoring can be easily done on this software platform remotely and seamlessly.